Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about M1 Mac Mini. Mac Mini is the smallest and the budget computer in Apple Mac series. It is very small, just like a book. Mac Mini with M1 chip is more faster than previous Mac Mini. We can achieve Intel iMac Pro, MacBook Pro performance also with this M1 Mac Mini. Hollywood film industry also going to replace their machines with M1 Mac Minis. The special thing is we can connect our any mouse or any keyboard. It not must be a Apple one. We can connect our any device to this M1 Mac Mini. Most of you sometimes will think why we spend much money for like this small device. Actually we can get more performance with this Mac Mini than MacBook Pro. Mac Mini price is less than half price of MacBook Pro. Different is Mac Mini is a desktop, but MacBook Pro is a laptop. If you not much think about portability of your computer, this is the best solution for you. You can connect monitors up to 6K and you can set up dual monitor setup also with this Mac Mini. New M1 Mac Mini is coming with 8-core GPU. We can get 3 times faster than previous Mac Minis. We can get fast, smooth performance with this M1 Mac Mini. Now you will think, where is this GPU? GPU is coming inside of this chip. This is SoC. GPU, RAM, CPU are inside of this chip. With this M1 chip, we can get more performance from a little space and less amount of electricity. With this M1 chip, we can get 6 times graphic performance than earlier. Mac Mini RAM also coming inside of this M1 chip. You have to decide the RAM what you want before buy your Mac Mini, because after buy you can't upgrade. 16GB and 8GB are available for M1 Mac Mini. If you are Windows user, sometimes you will think we need much memory for do our works. It's wrong. Mac 8GB RAM beat Windows 32GB RAM. As storage in M1 Mac Mini, we can get a SSD storage. It's up to 256GB. Let's see what are the ports in M1 Mac Mini. There are two USB-A ports and another two USB 4 ports. USB 4 ports are Thunderbolt ports, and the Ethernet port is for network, and a 3.5mm headphone jack also, and you will get a HDMI 2 port also. And M1 Mac Mini has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you got something from my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and tip on the bell icon for get notification about my new videos. And comment your ideas about video and M1 Mac Mini. And please like and share this video.